Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, before your TCS examination, it is very important for you to attempt the mock test. Then only you will come to know how is your preparation and which area you have to put effort. From today, we have started the mock test series, and this is the first mock test. Now, let us start with the question number one. Before that, you first try to solve the question by yourself. If the 9-digit number is divisible by 99, then the value of x, y, z, x plus y plus z square root, right? Now, so when 8, 7, 15, 6, 21, 9, 30, 38, 54 minus 38, that means 16 is square root of 16 is 4. So option A will be the correct answer, right? So you have to be that quick in the examination to solve the major problems, right? So many of you, when you will see the problems, you will not be able to solve, or you will leave it like that only. Let us understand the logic first, and then I will tell you what I did. So if a 9-digit number, so it is 807 xy6 9z8 is divisible by 99, then the value of x plus y plus z to the power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means basically square root of x plus y plus z. Okay, fine, no issues. So if a number is divisible by 99, it should be divisible by its factor 9 and 11. And if a number is divisible by 9, then the sum of the numbers should be divisible by 9. Like 729, is it divisible by 9 or not? So if the sum, that means 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. Sum 18 is divisible by 9, then this number will be divisible by 9. So here also this we will see, for what value of x plus y plus z this number is divisible. So let me calculate the sum here, right? So which I had done it manually, right? So you do not have to do all those things. Just to explain you, I am doing divided by 9. Okay, now, so instead of 99, I will try by 9 and 11, and instead of 9 and 11, I will try only by 9, because we need the value of x plus y plus z. So 8 plus 7 is 15, 21, and then 30, 38. 38 plus x plus y plus z divided by 9. So now what value I should place here? Okay, so now what value I should place here so that this number will be divisible by 9? So the next, so 9 4 ja will be 36, and then 9 5 ja will be 45, and then 9 6 ja will be, and then 9 6 ja will be 54. Now, so if I put x plus y plus z is, right, so 45 minus 38, that means 7, right? So if I put here 7, then this number will be divisible by 9. But if the value of x plus y plus z is equal to 7, we cannot solve it. Now we will have to check 54. So 54 minus 38, that means if I add 16 here, then it will become the next factor of 9. Okay, that is 54. So this will be nothing but 6 times, right? So 16. So if x plus y plus z is 16, then we can easily calculate the square root, and here the answer will become option A, right? So I hope it will be clear to you. Okay, anyway, there are different method to solve this. I have told you the shortest method here. Now, the simplified value of a square root of 32 plus a square root of 48 divided by a square root of 8 plus a square root of 12. Friends, see, as soon as you see the question, no, you don't decide that you should do or not. Okay, see, at least you have to try, and better if you solve this kind of questions before you go for the actual examination. Okay, now the simplified value of 32. So 32, you calculate the prime factor. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. So basically I can write this here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 plus 48. How can you write? So 48 I can write 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 3 is 48, divided by square root of 8. So 2 into 2 into 2. See, something will happen. First you try. Okay, so 12, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12. Now, so instead of 2, 2, 1, 2 will come out. Instead of 2, 2, 1, 2 will come out. That means 4 root 2 plus. Instead of 2, 2, 1 root 1, 2 will come out. Instead of 2, 2, 1, 2 will come out. 4 root 3 divided by. This is instead of 2, 2, 1, 2 will come. 2 root 2 plus. Again here 2 will come out, 2 root 3. Now you see, so what I will do, I will take 4 common from here. So square root of 2 plus square root of 3. And now if I will take 2 common here, square root of 2 and plus square root of 3, right? So this is cancelled, 2 2s are. So basically 2 will be the correct answer, right? See, all these things, no, I mean, you do not have to write these steps. You will tell me, sir, you are only taking 1 or 2 minutes. How we will do in the examination? Why you will take so much of time? See, for some problem it is understood, right? But this one, 32. So 32 is what? 16 into 2. So 4 root 2, right? 48, 16 into 3. That means 4 root 3. 8, 2, 4 into 2. So 2 root 2. 12, 4 into 3. So 2 root 3. Now 4 out, 2 out. So 2 will be the correct answer. That's all. How much time you will take, right? But if I will tell you like this, then you will ask, sir, how 4 came? How we can write like this? A lot of questions will be there in the comment section. Okay. Now, question number 3. So before I go for question number 3, friends, you can, if you are really serious about cracking TCS, anything, TCS NQT, BPS, smart hiring, then you can go for this crash course. And not only TCS, this will be also helpful for other examination also, right? If you're going for Accenture, right? If you're going for any other examination, because see, everything, however I teach on the YouTube, the same kind of teaching, you will find it in the videos also. So, and not only this, there are live classes also there. So it's not only recorded. So now we have started the live class. Today only we had the aptitude class. Tomorrow we have coding class. Day after tomorrow we have verbal ability class. So aptitude, numerical ability, reasoning, aptitude and previous year mock test, verbal ability, programming videos, and 200 plus 50 pages. One, PDF sheet is there where more than 500 plus TCS question is solved. Test series is there, interview course is there, right? Okay, so what else you need? So each and everything is there inside only one package, and this will help you for cracking other examinations. So the link is in description. If you're really serious, then only you get it. If you are not serious about getting placed, then don't get it. Okay, the link you can find it in the description. If the arithmetic mean is 16, while the arithmetic mean of this is 41, then find p plus q divided by p minus q. One thing which you need to understand is arithmetic mean, right, is nothing but average, is nothing but average. Okay, and you know how to find out average. And also friends, if you like the mock test one, then please do comment. Based on your interest only, I'll be making mock test of full length where more than 10 questions will be done. In this video we are doing only 5 questions. So if you really like, then we will be doing for the 10 mock test. And also the live classes have started, so don't miss. Get this course as soon as possible, so that you will not be missing the live classes here. Okay, fine. So if the arithmetic mean is 16, while the arithmetic mean is 41, fine. So arithmetic mean is average. So now, and average formula, so average will be, sir, sum by number. Okay, so average is 16 and sum we have to calculate. And how many numbers are there? So sum is what? Some numbers are already there: 23 plus 15 plus 19 plus p plus 12 plus 7, and divided by 6, right? So total number is 6. Now, so 16 into 6, 96 plus. So here you see 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 19 is 38. Okay, and this is also 38. So this will become 76 plus p. So the value of p will become 20. The value of b will become 20, right? Okay, now, so again, one more arithmetic mean. So average will be equal to sum by number, sum by number. Average they have given is 41, and sum. So 37 plus 28 plus 53 plus q plus 42, right? And total number is 5. Now, so 41 into 5 will be 205 is equals to, so 2 plus 3 5, 8 13, and 7 22. So 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16, plus q. So q will be 45. We got p, we got q. Now p plus q divided by q minus p they're asking. So 45 plus 20 and divided by 45 minus 20. So this will become 65 divided by 25. So this will become 13 and this will become 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 6s are 2.6. That's all. Option A will be the correct answer for the question number 3. Don't get afraid of the question. Read, understand, and then do. So you will be able to do. Okay. Now question number 4 is a compound interest problem. A sum amounts to rupees 16,000 at the end of 3 years and rupees this. So what they're telling, you invested X rupees and it is becoming 16,000 rupees in 3 years. Okay, and you again invested same money and it is becoming 25,600 rupees at the end of 6 years. Okay, now, so this is a compound interest problem. You know the formula for amount. So let us first write for this. So amount will be equal to, right? So amount will be equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. This is formula for your amount in compound interest. Principal is not known, into 1 plus r by 100. So this is becoming in 6 year, equation 1. And then 16,000 is equals to principal into 1 plus r by, now I am writing equation for this. Okay, this is 2. Now what you do, so you divide 1 by 2. So you divide 1 by 2. So what will happen if we'll try to understand, p and p will get cancelled, this 20 and this 20 will get cancelled, and this is 3 and this is 6 times. So basically it will get divided by 3 times. Okay, so it will get divided by 3 times. So 1 plus r by 100 cube will be equal to 256 divided by 160. So this is so 16 16 ja, so it will become 16 by 10. This is my equation 3. Now this equation 3, no, you put it in equation 2. Okay, see, these are simple. I mean, see, you don't need to write all those things, you don't need to write all these steps. Okay, so you can do it in only one step. Okay, that's what I wanted to tell you from that time. Now p into 1 plus r by 100 cube, 1 plus r by 100 cube is 16 by 10, is equals to 16,000. Okay, so 16 and 16 cancelled, so p will be equal to 10,000. Principal you got as 10,000. Okay, now find the simple interest earned if the same sum is invested at 15% rate and time is 2 years. So simple interest is very simple, PRT by 100. PRT by 100. So 10,000 into rate is 15, time is 2, and divided by 100, 2020 cancelled. So it will be nothing but 3,000. So 3,000, any option? Yes, option A, 3,000 rupees will become the correct answer. Question number 5 is a tricky problem. Question number 5 is a tricky problem. Please try to understand. There is no any method where you can make this problem simpler, but at least I will try to explain you, so that with that method you will be able to do quickly in the examination. Okay, now, so before I go with this question, I wanted to tell you about marked price, cost price, and selling price. Friends, when you go to mall, okay, so when you go to any mall, right? Okay, so in the mall, what will happen? Suppose I am a shopkeeper, I got a shirt for 1,000 rupees, right? I got a shirt for 1,000 rupees. So I got a shirt for 1,000 rupees. Now I have to sell to the customers in the mall. So definitely in the mall, I need to give rent to the mall people. Okay, I have to give salary to the staffs, and then I also have to earn, right? I also have to earn. Okay, now, so what I will do, so I will increase the price and I will put it 22,000 rupees. Okay, so I will put a tag. So when you go to a mall and when you see the shirt, you will be seeing a tag. In that tag, the price which is mentioned is nothing but 2,000 rupees. Okay, now, but what is the Indian human mentality? If there is no discount, okay, then they will hesitate to go. But if we'll tell there is a discount of 10%, then they will see, oh, 10% discount, let's go. So 10% discount means 200 rupees. That means you will have to pay 1,800 rupees, right? So that means you will be selling at 1,800. And then also you will have a profit of 800 rupees. That's how the whole thing of profit and loss work. And that's how this happens in the mall. Okay, now, so I hope if this is clear, then at least this problem we will try to make it more easier. So selling an item at 5 by 6 of its marked price. Now, so marked price I will keep at 60. Why, sir? Whatever you want, you take. What you take, whatever you want. No, it doesn't work like that, right? Okay, then I have told you in my basic classes, that's what I was telling you. So if you get this crash course, your concept will get clear. For any examination, it will be more than sufficient, right? You can assume any value. My dear friends, if your options are in percentage, no, if your options are in percentage, then you can take any value which you want. So I assumed 60 so that when I calculate 5 by 6, okay, then it will be easily divisible. Sir, I will take 100. Take. Now 5 by 6, it will give you fraction. So unnecessary, don't get into fraction. So now the marked price was 60 rupees. So selling an item. So what is selling an item? Selling an item 5 by 6. That means if I am selling at 5 by 6, if I am selling at 50 rupees, okay, if I'm selling at 50 rupees of, okay, selling an item at 5 by 6 of its marked price results in a loss of 10%, right? Results in a loss of 10%. Okay, cost price, okay, cost price I am assuming as X. Okay, cost price I am assuming at X. Now, so this is the data I have. Okay, so if I am selling at 50 rupees, I am getting a loss of X. So you know the formula for selling price. Selling price will be equal to cost price into 100 minus percentage of loss divided by 100, right? Okay, now, so selling price I have kept as 50. Okay, then cost price assumed as X. 100 minus loss, so 100 minus loss is nothing but 90 divided by 100, right? So we have got the cost price from here. So cost price is nothing but 500 by 9. So cost price we have got is 500 by 9. Clear? Cost price we have got as 500 by 9, because we know the selling price now. Okay, and we know there is a loss of 10%. Okay, till here fine, till here crystal clear, you should not have any doubt. Now what they are telling, what is the percentage profit or loss if a discount of 5% is offered on the marked price. Marked price is 60, right? Now you are going to offer a discount of 5% and sell. So 5% of 60 will be what? So 5% of 60 will be 3 rupees, right? So that means now you are going to give a discount of 5%, that means 3 rupees, and you will be selling at 57. Okay, cost price we have already calculated. Bhaiya, it is 500 by 9. They're asking what is the percentage of profit and loss. So percentage of profit or loss we can calculate like this. So definitely there is a profit here, right? Because 57, right? So 50. Okay, so anyway, profit or loss we will see. So profit will be what? Selling price minus cost price, okay, divided by cost price into 100, right? Okay, so 9. So 9 7 ja 63, 36, and 45 plus 6 is 51, minus 500. This 9 and 9 will anyway get cancelled, divided by 500 into 100. So this will be 13 by 500 into 100. So this 2 will get cancelled. 5 2s are, and 5 6 ja 2.6% of the profit, right? 2.6% of the profit. Sorry, not option A, profit. So 2.6% of the profit. That means option B will be the correct answer. This was a wonderful problem, and this has been solved in a very easier way. Trust me, if you'll go with X and Y, if you'll put the same problem on the Google, and you can check the solution, right? So if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section that, sir, please continue with more mock test series, and we wanted to seriously clear this TCS NQT smart hiring or BPS examination. And don't forget to get this crash course. Any of the, see, we are now doing the live classes as well. So tomorrow we have the live classes for coding, right, by Shruti ma'am, and then after tomorrow we have Tanvi ma'am for English.